Okay everyone, and welcome back to the second video of how to configure your buttons. Alright, so what we're going to do now is go into the actions of our button. So let's go ahead and right click here, go into your actions here. Alright, and then it's going to bring up this box here which gives you a bunch of different options. So right now it said no action, but you can link this to a page inside your website by simply clicking here and going onto the page. You can link this to a downloadable document. So if you want people to download something whenever they click here, you can have that happen. You can link it to anchors too. If you're not familiar with how anchors work on a longer website, okay, I have a tutorial. If you go ahead and search for that, if that's what you're looking for, how to work with anchors, you'll be able to see how to do that here. Now you can also link it to an email to allow your users or your clients, your visitors, to send you an email very easily. Okay, you can link this to a web address, external, okay, a pop-up which you configure yourself, or you can link it to a video. Okay, now what we're gonna do for an example is link it to a page. Okay, so if I come over here, I can select the page that's inside of my website already. Okay, it's going to automatically populate all of the website pages that you have already created. So right now we're working on a blank page. I can send us to the home page or to the lifestyle page here by the click of a button. Okay, another thing I can do here with this is I can select the page to send us to, and I can open it in a new tab instead of the same tab like it is now. So if I choose new tab, what's going to happen is the advanced options are going to highlight. I can then select on the advanced options, and now I have two other options to deal with. Either, once again, another page inside of our editor or an external web address. And what this is going to do is, let's say I select to send people to the home page or to the lifestyle page over here. Okay, and it's going to open up in a new tab. All right, now, once I come down here, the redirection action is going to be for the previous tab. So this is the tab that we're working in now. Let's say we're on the blank page now. Okay. Now, when I select this button to go into the lifestyle page, okay, the lifestyle page is going to open up in a new tab, and then this current page that we are in is going to be whatever I select here. So I can send us to the home page, or I can send us to an external web address. I'm going to choose to send us to a home page. Okay, so that way when we click the button, we'll go to the lifestyle page in a new tab. However, the current tab that we're on will then go to the home page. All right, so let's okay that here. Let's save that here. And now to test the full functionality of this feature, we have to go publish our website and then view it that way. So let's come back here into our office. Okay, come into my sites. And now I'm going to come in here and publish my site. It's actually the wrong one. We're in the Jewel site. And let's go ahead and publish. Okay, so this is going to make your website active. All right, so let's go ahead and click on our new website. All right, so this is my home page here. All right, so what I'm going to do now to go test my button is I'm going to add in a new button here. And this is a cool way that you can use to test anything on any page. And so let's come back to our home page, and I'm going to add in an invisible button here like so. So let's come here. I'm going to put this right here. I am then going to make it a little bit larger in case we can work with it. Now, first thing I'm going to do is delete all of the text and then confirm. Next thing I'm going to do is come into the appearance, and I can either choose to make the button a transparent, or I can edit any one of the defaults that I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on transparent to make myself a transparent button. And now I'm going to link this page here to my blank page. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because when you go ahead and preview your button or preview your site before you're done linking everything, this is a way that you can go in and test your site without it actually messing up the function. So if someone else comes onto your site and it's already active, they will not be able to find this button. You can hide it in the corner anywhere you want to. So we're going to put that right here, and I'm going to save. Okay, now, so once I do that, I can simply come back to my site, refresh the page, And now I have my invisible button right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is come here, and it's going to bring me to my blank page. So as I come down here and I get to my button, once I click here, it's going to open up in a brand new tab. Okay, so let's go back here. I'm gonna show you exactly how that worked again for me. So we're gonna come back here to this page. All right, now notice that we are in the blank page here. This is our main page here. Now I'm gonna click here. It's going to open up a new tab. It's gonna open up this page here. This is the other page that I created for us to send to. Now, if you go back to the page we were just on, we're back on the home page, okay? So that is how that feature will work for you when working with the buttons. All right, so there are tons of other things that you can do when you get creative when working with buttons. Go ahead and work with that, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.